Hey, little man.
Hard.
Oh!
Yeah! Good, good job.
More.
Good. Go, keep going. Wow!
Oh, wow.
It's so good.
Whoa! Yay! Good, alright. Get out of here. We've been waiting for like 2 hours plus, dude. Go you right now. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So I didn't properly end the vacation trip video because the camera died. I kind of left it on from the last clip and didn't realize it was still recording until the battery died, and it was like an hour long of footage that I found in the GoPro memory, and it was super hectic going home. So every year our family go out of town for like 3 days, enjoy some family time. We always go to Reno. We had a great time like always, but this year we didn't get to go on the go-kart track because it rained out, and then we didn't get to play golf because it rained out. But there were plenty of other enjoyments that we did while we were out there. But on our way home, we got stuck in a blizzard, and we didn't have our chains, so they blocked the whole road off, and they were trying to get people to bust a U to go back to Reno. And given that we were that far in our trip going back home already, we didn't want to do it, so we sat off the freeway, tried to put our chains on, and then we realized that the chain is actually bigger than the tire itself, and there was a lot of slack, which you guys probably have seen in one of the clips where the chain was slapping the fender. But we zip tied it in place, and you know, during our trip through the blizzard, it broke loose. Pretty much the chain punctured a tire, and we drove several miles in the blizzard with the flat tire until the downhill of Truckee, where we didn't require the chain anymore, and we swapped out the tires with a spare in the trunk. And pretty much from there forward, we made it all the way home safe and sound on the spare tire. Let me show you guys real quick. Right there, spare tire. You know what? This car had so much issues. You can see right here where the chain was whipping on the fender pretty bad, and you know, the car had erratic idle, and you know, despite some of the issues with the van, it made it to Reno and back cherry safe and sound. We ain't dead, and now I'm gonna give this car some loving sometime this week, get the tire swapped out, get the idle fixed, and pretty much get rid of the check engine light. So I'm kicking out today's video and yesterday's video out because I already had it, and you know, we're trying to get back on track. I am sticking to the Monday, Wednesday, Friday uploads, so I can have days in between to get more work done. And today is going to be the start of the all-wheel drive stuff on the CRX again. So I am going to end this video right now. I got to run to the store, grab some stuff. We'll get back here, set up the table and all that. You guys will see it in tomorrow's video. But if you guys enjoyed my family vacation video, please hit the like button. And if you guys want to be back on track with the all-wheel drive, hit the subscribe button. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.